Hey guys, hope everyone's doing good. So how easy it is to remove the vinyl here that you've wrapped your grill in. Well, I'm going to show you. I have not applied heat to this, and it's been holding up really well. Scrubbing it when I wash it, never been lifting up either. So I am impressed with that. But I'll show you here, once you get the corner started, just like any vinyl, it comes off really easily. That's why I like working with vinyl so much, because it's really durable, really changes the look of it, but you can remove it when you want to. It's easy. Okay, so went ahead and got this side started. That's the hardest part, and then you just pull. So check that out underneath. And the good thing about wrapping your stock grill is you guys have seen so many times there's marks on the grill, starts flaking away the finish. It's not that durable, whatever they use. Well, this, when you pull it off, it's just like when you put it on. So it protects it from watermarks, chips, all that kind of stuff. So if you want to safeguard the factory grill, I would definitely vinyl wrap it. So here, I went ahead and took it all off. If you look underneath, it looks really good. Any marks you see was what I left on there. So great way to change the look, protect it at the same time. You know, if you want to go back to stock, and you won't have any marks on your grill. So that's a good thing. Okay? Hope everyone's doing great, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.